Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you the process of myself turning this dusk to dawn light into an always on light. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now let me just give you some background on what's going on. This is one of the lights at the front of my house, and essentially when my wife saw these lights, she assumed that when you turn the light switch on, the lights are always going to be on when the light switch is powered on. Little did we know that there are these light sensors on the side here, these daylight sensors. So this light only turns on when it's nighttime. Now that's fine and dandy for when there's not a lot of daylight, but I like these lights turning on at relatively the same time, even when it is bright outside. So I like them turning on when it's still bright outside, and then they stay on into the darkness, as you can see right here. So basically, I've devised a little bit of a small plan in order to fix this, and essentially I'm going to cover up this this sensor over here, because when the light switch is on and it's still somewhat light outside, right, the lights don't turn on because it's too bright outside, and I want them to turn on because these are connected to some other lights around my house. I'm not going to show you too much because I don't want to, I don't know what the term is, but I don't want to give away where I live or anything like that. But essentially there are multiple of these lights on the front of the house, and sometimes they turn on at different times because the daylight is hitting them, or the night, like the darkness is hitting them at different times. So essentially what we're going to do is very simple. I have just some electrical tape over here. And electrical tape is really good, especially if you get good electrical tape, because it is really durable. It's pretty much weatherproof and it lasts a long time. And what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to take this piece of electrical tape, and I'm probably going to make it smaller after the video, but I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the electrical tape to cover up the sensor just like that, okay? And now when that light switch is powered on, these lights are always going to be on. Okay, so instead of them only turning on when it's nighttime, when it's dark enough, when that light switch is powered on, these lights are now always going to be on because I've covered up the sensor. It's something as simple as that. I mean, in an ideal situation, I would go and return the lights and buy different ones, but you know, I installed these and I really like them, and I've pretty much had a hard time finding ones that are the exact same like this without that sensor. So I figured I'll just do this, and what I'm going to do, like I said, after the video is I'll just make the piece of tape a little bit smaller. I'll trim it down and I'll make it so it's a bit smaller. And yeah, that's it. Sorry that I couldn't give you a better view. I don't want to you know, give away where I live. Basically, I'm on a ladder right now, so I'm trying to be careful, but yeah, I don't want to give away like where I live. I mean, so I'm just trying to show you only the light without giving you too much detail, because you know, my house number is like literally like a couple of feet to the other side, and I don't want to expose it. But yeah, that's it. If you like this very simple video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.